Looking for a powerful free video editor for Windows in 2026 that actually delivers professional results without slapping a giant watermark over your hard work? Today, we're taking an honest look at VSDC Free Video Editor. VSDC is a complete video and audio editing suite designed to handle everything from simple family slideshows to highly complex creative projects. One of its biggest selling points is how accessible it is. It supports high-resolution 4K and HDR footage and even handles heavy RAW formats like ProRes RAW and BRAW. If you don't have a high-end editing rig, don't worry. VSDC uses video proxy technology, which allows it to run smoothly even on lower-spec PCs. Feature-wise, it packs a serious punch. You get professional-grade cutting and trimming tools, advanced color grading, a multicolor chroma key for green screen work, and unique features like GPS speedometers for action camera footage. Beyond standard editing, VSDC offers built-in video and audio converters, a screen recorder, and a template store, featuring over 300 customizable packs of transitions, animated titles, and LUTs. They also feature VSDC Cloud, which lets you back up your projects and collaborate with others online. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. While we don't have a detailed database of individual user reviews to analyze today, VSDC is widely recognized and rated on platforms like Trustpilot and Capterra. On the plus side, getting professional tools, 4K support, and no watermarks for free is incredibly rare. It's lightweight, versatile, and highly capable. On the flip side, because it packs so many advanced parameters and professional tools into one program, absolute beginners might face a slight learning curve when first opening the interface. Overall, if you want a budget-friendly but highly capable editor for Windows, VSDC is absolutely worth a download. Head over to vsdcdev.com to try it out for yourself. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what video editor you are currently using.